So there you go. Victaulic clamp. What's the model number? I don't remember anymore. You'll have to look it up. Basically, he slips it on. You got 2 O-rings. This little piece here will sit on top of there once he closes the clamp. And you can see it's just a hydraulic C-clamp essentially. It's just like our hole puncher. It even says on it it's a 15 ton.
Darn. So I gotta, you need a net? Got too carried away.
And see, when you get too carried away, it doesn't fit. So you can see the steel is quite springy. So I don't know, it looks like a pain in the ass to me, but it's a good solution for what it is.
Now the clamps anyway.
You know what I think you gotta do? You gotta pull the clamp off and put it in the middle. I'm willing to bet you that's what it is. Nope, never mind, he got it. See what he did now with that plate? Now he's just gonna keep closing. Looks like you might actually have to slide that. Not gonna lie, I think you could do this with a big ass C-clamp.
I also think you could do that with a clamp.
Especially one of those that you could put like a 1/2 inch impact on.
Oh yeah.
It'd make quick work of it.
Yeah. Do it with one hand.
Yeah. I'm sure the Victaulic engineers will disagree, but
Yeah.
you're just about touching the stud. How big a stud they give you?
Big.
Oh, that's not bad. And that's it. Because you have 3 studs and just torque them down and you're done. Then tomorrow, when the pipe restraint shows up, we're going to weld the restraint here and here. So this thing can't blow off. But this is low pressure. It's only running at 15 psi. This thing is rated for 250, 300 pounds, so I don't think we're gonna have that issue. But I will say this, beats roll grooving any day of the week. You know what I don't get? What's that for?
So it doesn't go off center too much and it still seals it.
I didn't think about that. So that's basically your limit then. Once it hits that, you're done.
Yeah. Kind of feels like our limit slightly before that.
Just happened to have those in my pocket. But there you go, that's basically it. So he's got to throw that in, he's just got to torque them, and we're done.